Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about side criterion for similarity of triangles. In last video we discussed angle similarity criterion for triangles. So now side criterion for similarity of triangles. In this theorem, what is the statement? The statement is in two triangles, in two triangles in two triangles if the sides of one triangle is is proportional to the sides of other triangle the sides of other triangle the sides of other triangle then the corresponding angles are equal. Then the corresponding angles are equal. And hence the triangles are similar. So this is the statement of side criterion for similarity of two triangles. In two triangles, if the sides of one triangle is proportional to the sides of other triangle, that means sides of first triangle is proportional to the sides of second triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. As we know, what is the diagrammatic representation of statement? Let me see first. So let me consider this is a first triangle and this is second triangle. So let me consider this A, B, C, D, E, F. If you observe this one, the first triangle is smaller than the second triangle. This is called a diminished figure. The first triangle is reduced figure to that is second triangle. Hence, so what is the given here? So given is in two triangles, triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F. These are the two triangles such that how the two triangles will be such that AB by DE is equals to BC by EF, that is equals to AC by DF, that should be less than 1. This is called scale factor is less than 1. When scale factor less than 1 indicates that the first triangle is smaller when compared to the second triangle, but both are similar to each other. Let me consider how the similarity will be. We are going to check here now. So this is the given statement. Now what we have to prove, required to prove is the corresponding angles will be equal. Angle A is equals to angle D, comma, angle B is equals to angle E, comma, angle C is equals to angle F. So this is we have to prove. Whenever angle A is equals to angle B, that means corresponding angles are equal and automatically the sides are in same ratio, then the triangles will be similar. That is also we have to prove here. Now, what is the construction required? What is the construction required here? The required construction here also same. Locate the point P and Q on the sides DE and DF. Locate a point P and locate a point Q and join PQ line segment. And join this PQ line segment. Locate locate P comma Q on DE comma DF respectively such that AB is equals to DP. In the same way, AC is equals to DQ. So these two conditions you have to check. Okay, AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ. So these sides will be equal. Now, whenever the sides will be equal, so now we have to consider. So we know now proof. So we know that the conditions we know that AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. Why we should consider only these two ratios, not BC by EF? So now here is AB by DE. On the DE side P is there, on DF side Q is there. That's the reason why I am going to consider AB by DE and AC by DF ratios. So as we know that already, what is AB? AB is equals to DP. That is DP by DE is equals to, then AC is equals to DQ by DF. As we know that DP by DE, DQ by DF, DP by DE, DQ by DF. From the converse of basic proportionality theorem, what it indicates that if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. That implies PQ is parallel to EF. When PQ is parallel to EF, so what it indicates that PQ is parallel to EF. This is since it is from converse of basic proportionality theorem. So students, you have to mention converse of basic proportionality theorem. So since converse of basic proportionality, this happens. So you have to write, but here place is not sufficient. That's why I should not consider here. Right. Next. So therefore, when PQ is parallel to EF, then we know that angle P is equals to angle E, comma, angle Q is equals to angle F. Angle Q is equals to angle F. Now consider triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. In triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, angle P is equals to angle E in previous condition, comma, angle Q is equals to angle F. This is from the above conditions. These two. When two angles are equal for this two triangles, then angle similarity conditions. These two triangles are similar. Similar in the sense we can consider this is from AA similarity rule. From AA similarity. Okay, from AA similarity, we are going to consider the relation is, what is the relation here from AA similarity? What is the relation from AA similarity? DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF is equals to PQ by EF. So DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF is equals to PQ by EF. So that is called similarity conditions. So from AA similarity conditions. Now, since you can consider this is can consider as a first equation, and this is we are considering as second equation. So since this first equation in the place of AB DE, so okay, since from first equation implies that what happens, first equation AB, in the place of AB we can write DP by DE, that is equals to, in the place of AC we can write DQ dq by df. That is equals to, in the place of BC we should not write, because BC by EF. Okay, from 1 and 2 equations, what it happens? dP by dE and dQ by dF. From 1 and 2 equations, from 1 and 2 equations, what happens from 1 and 2 equations? So PQ by EF is equals to BC by EF. So therefore PQ is equals to BC. PQ is equals to BC. This line is equals to this line. So as already we know that AB is equals to DP, and also BC is equals to PQ, and also AC is equals to DQ. So from therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So it's congruent triangles. When congruent triangles, from CP/CT rule, angle A is equals to angle D, and angle B is equals to angle P, and angle C is equals to angle Q. So if you know angle A is equals to angle D, so we have to consider angle A equals to angle C. But angle P is equals to angle E, but angle P is equals to angle B here. Angle P is equals to angle B, but we are getting here angle P is equals to angle E. So P is equals to angle E and P is equals to angle B. That means what? From these two conditions, P is equals to B and P is equals to E, then B is equals to E. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle D, first one. Next, from this, P is equals to E and P is equals to B. That means in both cases P is equals to E and this P is equals to B. That means B is equals to E. That is B is equals to E. Now here Q is equals to F and Q is equals to C. That means in both cases Q is common, then C is equals to F. That is angle C is equals to angle F. Then we proved this one, hence it is proved. So angle A is equals to angle BD, and angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. We proved that one. So hence the result is two triangles are similar. Now I hope you understand, the students. So please go through this. So you have to concentrate very well while observing this video. Then you may get a clear idea about side similarity of criterion for triangles. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can post.